Alright, what's up guys? Captain Steve here, Deadliest Kast. I'm going to show you guys how to connect your braid to your leader. We're going to use some P-line CXX here. Got a mag bay lures jig, hyperfly jig that we're going to use. Show you how to tie. So, really simple knot that we do on the fly when we're fishing. You know, just get your leader material. You make a loop here. You're going to get your braid. Okay. And we're going to put the braid right through that. Pull this out. Now that you got it through the loop, you're going to wrap it over once, twice, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now that you got those 6 loops right through, now we're going to just kind of pinch it there and go back the opposite way. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now you see how I'm holding this, you know, your position of your fingers is really important when you're doing this. So now we're going to bring this line the same way it came in. So push this through, this line came in this way, right? Now we're going to go out the same way it came in. Pull on it a little bit. Start to pull slowly, push it down so it cinches down on itself. Push on both ends. Generally you want to kind of wet it or lick it or whatnot, but we're not going to do that right now because of current times and pandemics. So just start pulling. Look at that. I'm pulling as hard as I can. Nice and tight. It's a clean connection. No need for barrel swivels. None of that stuff. Cut these tag ends off. Okay. Okay. There you go. You can probably get a little closer, but just so you can see where that ends. Okay, that's a clean connection. This is also known as the Alberto knot or the RP knot. RP knot is known because it's from one of the long range boats out of San Diego, the Royal Polaris. I learned it from some of the guys that have worked on that boat before. So now we got that connected. Well, just give yourself, you know, I generally like to go like 3 to 4 feet a leader. We just cut some off. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how I like to tie my jigs when I'm fishing. For yellowtail, tuna, and all that good stuff. Put the line right through. Okay. A lot of these knots are similar, so just making those loops. Okay. Now I'm going to go over it. Go 1. Let's do this one more time. Put the line right through. Okay. You make that loop. Okay. Now at this line right here, I go over my finger once. Okay. Now I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do 6, whatever you want. Let's just do 7. Okay. Slide that down. Now that you got to slide down, put that line right back through that loop, just like that. Okay. And back that loop on your finger. Okay. Now you're just going to pull it slowly, just like that. So it's getting all tight and dug in. Pull. And that right there, simple knot. Some people know it as a San Diego jam knot. But once again, you just cut that tag end off. What that does is, as those fish pull on this knot gets tighter and tighter. So I can pull and pull and pull, and it just gets tighter and tighter. So, really simple way to do this. These are really important knots that you use when you're fishing down there. Like I said, all you need for your leader, I'd say 4 or 5 feet at the most. You don't need to put 20, 30 yards of fluorocarbon. Keep it simple. Just don't want them to see what you're doing. And hopefully that helps you guys. Just like that. All right. Till the next video, we'll see you guys, and just keep them rods, man.